Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking chapter 4th of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Now focusing on title of assignment. Okay. As we turn to Excel chapter 4 cumulative insurance claim. Now, question 1 start Excel. Basically, in this question, we will have download Excel file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file from your Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Now, moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that freeze the pane. So, the first row containing column headings, row 6 and first two columns on the insurance claim worksheet will remain static when scrolling. Basically, in this question, we will have to freeze the pane. First, we will go to Home tab, go to View tab, and click on Freeze pane. Click on Freeze pane, and then okay, question is done now. Now moving on question number 3. Question number 3 is that convert the data to a table. Name the table insurance claim and then they apply the light green table style light 21. First we will convert the data into table. You can select this all data. Okay. Then click on insert tab. Then click on table and table, click on OK. Table will be inserted. Okay, then name the table insurance claim. You can copy this name and moving on Excel workbook. Okay, and then click on table name and tap this insurance claim and then press enter. Apply the light green table style light 21. Okay, now moving on Excel file, table style light 21. Moving on Excel file, click on table style. You can select this light green table light 21. Then press OK. It will be done. Now moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that remove the duplicates record. Remove the duplicates record. Basically, in this question we will have to remove all duplicates record. Okay. First we will go to the table design and click on remove duplicates and then press OK. Duplicates record will be removed. Now moving on question number 5. Question number 5 is that add a new column to the table name duration. Basically, in this question we will have to add a new column. The column okay to the table name duration. Column to table name duration. Okay. Right. Click on column key and then you can type duration. Now moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that create a formula using unqualified structure references to calculate the days required to resolve the incident and apply journal number format. Basically, in this question, we will have to create a formula using unqualified structure. Okay, click on case. Okay, then date resolved minus date created, then press enter. It will be shown all values duration. Okay, it's done now. Now moving on, sorry, journal format. You can select this column first and click on journal and then click on journal format. It's done now. This question is completely done. You can see here. Now moving on next question. Next question is that question number 7. In question number 7, add a total row to display the average days required to complete a claim. In this question, we will have to add a total row. Click on table design, click on total row. Okay, then scroll down. Okay. Then display the average days required to complete a claim. Okay, date is all click and then you can first be duration, and then you can select average. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on question number 8. In question number 8, sort the table by insurance agent in alphabetic order. Add a second level to sort by description and then create the custom. Okay, sort the table by insurance. Sort the, click on insurance agent, then click on sort and filter. Okay, then insurance agent in alphabetical orders. Okay, then add a second level to sort by description and then create a custom sort order as follows. Second level description. Okay. Okay, then create a custom sort. Click on custom list and then you can select this list natural dessert food. Okay, you can select this list and then add a third level to sort duration smallest to largest. Click on add level and then click on third level duration and then smallest to largest and then press OK. It will be sorted. This question is completely done. You can see here I have done this question. Now moving on question number 9. Question number 9 is that filter the table to only display closed claim as indicated. Okay, filter the table to display only closed. Click on status and then select all, deselect all and then click on closed and then press OK. It will be done. Okay, indicates the status column. This question is completely done. Now moving on question number 10. Question number 10 is that use quick analysis to apply blue data bar conditional formatting to the column that contains duration. Basically in this question we will have to use quick analysis to apply blue data bars conditional formatting. Moving on Excel workbook, then you can select this duration column. Okay, and then right click on this and then click on quick analysis, then click on data bars and then you can see this, it's done. Okay, this question is completely done. Now moving on question number 11. Question number 11 is that create a conditional formatting that applies red fill and white background one font color to the incident column B, the required 30 or more days to resolve. Basically in this question we will have to create a conditional formatting. You can select this column B, claim numbers, and then go to conditional formatting, click on new rule, then select use a formula to determine which cells to format, then enter a formula is equal to K7 greater than is equal to 30. Okay, then click on fill color red, fill and white background one font color and white background one font color. Click on font color and white background one font color, then press OK. Click on format and then click on font color white, then press OK. It will be done. This question is completely done. You can see here. Okay, I have done 80% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access and many more courses. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.